the strongest soul I've ever known. Carries burden she won't show, lights up a room with just her laugh, but hides her pain when the night comes back. And I can't always make it right, but God, I try with all my might. I hate it when she cries, when the stars fall from her eyes, like a storm behind a smile. She holds it in for a while, and when the dam breaks down inside, it cuts me deep every time. I'd give anything, anything to dry the tears she tries to hide. I hate it when she cries. She don't ask for sympathy, she fights the dark so quietly. But when the silence starts to shake and I hear her heart begin to break, I'd trade my breath to take her pain, to see her dancing in the rain. I hate it when she cries, when the thunder steals her light. She don't deserve the ache she feels, and I can't heal what time won't heal, but I hold her through the night till the morning makes it right. Still it burns like fire inside. I hate it when she cries, and all I can do is stay near, be the arm she needs, the voice she hears. Tell her she's not alone in the fight, even when the tears steal her sight. I hate it when she cries, when her soul runs out of tries. She's my whole world in a storm, and I just wanna keep her warm. So I'll be her shelter, her quiet place, her steady hand, her saving grace. But I die a little inside. I hate it when she cries. I'd do anything, anything to stop those tears from her eyes.